and today I have a video, oh my goodness, I'm so excited for. Like, child me is losing her mind. Today I will be unboxing my first ever Lolita dress, courtesy of lolitainside, who so graciously gifted me this dress. Oh my goodness. I've been getting ads from them for a while and I kept seeing all these beautiful dresses in different styles because in my mind, Lolita always was like sweet Lolita or gothic Lolita, and like I never, especially growing up on the internet, I never really saw much in between. And so by seeing other different Lolita styles, I've been like, oh, that's actually kind of cute and I kind of want to try it. So I'm really excited to share this dress with you because it feels like so quintessentially me, but also if this dress isn't super Lolita-esque, I apologize. I don't fully understand all the different types and subtypes. I'm learning, okay? This is educational learning time. Lolitainside allowed me to pick one dress on their site, and honestly, it was horribly impossible because there was a lot that I really liked, but I have it here and I'm so excited to open it. Also, like, look how adorable this shipping bag is. It's so dang cute. But before we get into the unboxing portion of the video, make sure you leave a like and subscribe because I post new videos every single week. And if y'all like this dress, I may or may not be doing a photo shoot soon, and maybe I'll take y'all for like a behind the scenes Lolita photo shoot moment. I'm very excited. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm very excited. Okay, I'm now gonna insert a photo of the dress we will be unboxing here, and I'm going to read the name off of my phone because it's a long name. This is the Green Midsummer Dream Short Sleeves Ruffled Hanayome Off the Shoulder Gothic Short Lolita Dress. It's a lot of words. I love this dress. I love, like, visually, based on looking at it, I love the silhouette. I think it's gonna be really flattering, and I like a dark green. I like jewel tones. I look good in jewel tones. I'm gonna get rid of the blonde bits and the jewel tones will look better. Okay, so it looks like this is the dress, and then, did they actually still, oh my God, that's so thoughtful. Okay, so for context, in my initial emails back and forth with them, I picked a different dress. However, it was out of stock. But they allowed me to pick the dress and a wig. And I thought that because this dress that I'm going with now is over the budget, they weren't going to include the wig. But I think they still included the wig, which is very nice of them. Thank you, Lolitainside. Because I was going back and forth on whether I wanted like my real hair for the shoot or if I wanted a wig. And I thought this wig would look nice. Okay, so this wig, and I'm going to insert a photo here, is the Milk Tea Rose Pink Sweet Lolita Long Curly Wig. And we're going to take a look at her. Ooh, she's a pretty color. Honestly, she's kind of the color I wish my hair was. I keep seeing people do like milk tea, like hair colors, and I'm like, damn, that looks really pretty. I need the blonde. Oh God, this blonde is coming to get out. Because like, y'all, I need to change my hair. She is a little thin feeling though. The bangs probably, yeah, no, I'm gonna have to cut the bangs. The bangs are a little long. So we'll cut the bangs, do something with them. But I like the color. It is a little thin feeling. But it has combs also in the cap. So I think it'll at least be like a pretty comfortable wig. I really like the color. I can't lie. Like, this would be such a nice hair color on me. I'm just saying. Now, I do know that the petticoat was a separate item. I didn't get the petticoat because I have a lot of petticoats, but I also wasn't sure what kind of petticoat I would want with it. So I wanted to at least give myself time to figure that out. So let's get into it. These look like accessories. Okay, I'm gonna have to look at the photo while I open this. Okay, this looks like the front bow and like beading for the front of the dress. So this is the front like rosette bow. It is really pretty. There's like a bunch of little threads though here and there, which I'm not super happy about. But I like the rosette. Everything is gonna need to be steamed though. And then here's another little bow with another floof. you know, there's like a random fluff on the bottom, but also like the interfacing is visible. So I'm hoping this part of the bow is in no way visible from wherever it's attached to, but I'm a little weirded out by that at least. I'm gonna say this now because I know y'all are gonna ask. I do not have any sort of affiliation, coupon code, sponsorship with lolitainside. They wanted to send this to me to review, and I'm not gonna not be honest about the quality of what I receive. Y'all know me, even if it's a sponsored review, a not sponsored review, I am straight up, I'm going to tell you if something's worth it or not. Those little accessories being a little not perfect is kind of throwing me off, so I'm a little scared. So I think these are the little pearls that clip onto the front of the dress. I appreciate that it's all like lobster clasps because those are just easier for me to put on. But yeah, it's just 2 little strings of pearls. I appreciate that they're not on like a stretchy cord or anything. Then there's the ribbon to lace up the corset. Looks like a good amount. I wish the ends of the ribbon were finished and not just raw cut, but again, it's little details. But also, in my opinion, even if little details aren't perfect, it's the combination of multiple little details not being perfect that can kind of ruin something for me. Then there's this little brooch that I think goes in the middle of the bow, or is this a neck brooch? Oh yeah, it's like a neck brooch, so at the top of the dress. So I think that's all the accessories. Like I said, you could get the petticoat. I chose not to get the petticoat. I'm a little annoyed that they clip the accessories onto the dress. Granted, I can just remove, I think you can just, okay, fuck it. I'm not cutting the dress, I'm cutting the tag. All right, time for the main event, the dress. And I like this style. From the pictures, I like the style because I was like, the corsetting should make it like fit nicely. I want something that fits well, but also might be a little bit adjustable. So that's why I went with the corset. Also, I got this dress in an Asian size large. I was in between sizes and I wasn't sure, especially since I've never bought from this store, I wasn't sure whether to, if like it was very true to size or not. So that's why I went with a size up. But here she is. I really like the front. I love, there's actual like, okay, it's definitely like plastic boning, but I appreciate that. I like the little heart-shaped crystals, and the lace trims are really pretty. The inside of the top is lined, which I really appreciate. That's something that, especially if something's like an itchier material, I really appreciate if the inside is lined. The back is this, I forget what this is called. Someone please remind me when it's like, not ruche, what is this called? When it's like stretchy in the back. And then as you can see, there's all these little loops for you to lace up the corset. So what I didn't realize this. What's good about this is like, in theory, you don't have to lace up the corset. Like you could just like wear it without the lace up, and it's probably a little bit more adjustable and a little more forgiving than I thought it was gonna be. Then there's the sleeves, which are little poof sleeves. One of my things that is always just like a me problem, I have really like, I'm not broad shouldered in any way. So off the shoulder things a lot of times don't work for me. So I'm curious to see when I put it on if it's gonna sit like on top of my shoulder or if it'll actually sit off the shoulder. There also are loops for clear straps, but I don't think they gave us clear straps at all. So that's a little interesting. The skirt is one top layer of like a sheer green, and then the black underneath. Oh wait, that's so, okay. I don't know why I thought there would be like more layers. I know, again, I still have to get the petticoat. Granted, all my petticoats are white, so I'm probably gonna get a black petticoat to like blend better when it's all on. And then there's these, what are you? Are you just like dangly for fun? Or are they like a bow? Oh, you can tie these into bows. Okay, that's really cute. Wait, does it not come with the train? Wait, the train is separate? Okay, that's probably my bad. I'm gonna put that on me as probably like a my bad. I missed seeing that the train was a separate item, but I thought the train was with the dress. Okay, that's my bad. I mean, honestly, the train probably would have been too long for me, but I kind of wish it came with the train and wasn't a separate. I must have misread it, but I really did think it came with the train, but also I feel like if I got the train, it would have been way too long on me, even with heels. So I'm like, intrigued. Also, wait, okay, sorry, I'm noticing more things. So you can also lace it up on the sides if you didn't want to on the back, which is interesting. And then there's a side zipper. So let's see how this goes, because we have multiple layers of fabric to deal with. That was pretty smooth. And I like that it's a side zipper. It'll be easier to put on by myself. I do like it. I think it's very pretty. There are a few details, just like as an average customer, that I'm kind of perplexed by. Mainly the lack of clear straps. And honestly, I feel like for the price, it should come with the train. I know I didn't spend any money on this because I received it for free, but I'm saying if you're looking at dresses like these, I feel like it should come with the train if you're already paying like close to $100 for this. I'm also just kind of confused by the side corsets, because I feel like if you don't lace them up, it's gonna look bad potentially, because I'm just gonna look at the loops. I don't know, let me see the pictures again. Wait, is that where the strap is supposed, is that the strap I'm supposed to? But that wouldn't be like considered the petticoat, the small tail, or the big tail. Why don't I have the strap thingy? I don't know if that's like a me error or like it didn't come with it. I don't know. I don't know, because also that definitely would be something that would help hold this up on me. So I'm a little perplexed at the lack of things that are shown in the pictures that aren't with the dress. But I am gonna go try this on and see how it looks, and I will come back and I'll give you my final thoughts and opinions. All right, as you can tell, I have the dress on. The dress fits. There are some fit issues with it though, that I maybe should have gone with a medium. But again, I've never shopped from this store, so I didn't know how like true to size their size chart was. So, sorry, I still have a bra on. I'm not dealing with it right now. So this is another, actually, off the shoulder could stay up on me because there is elastication in the top, so it actually could stay off the shoulder, and I do kind of like it off the shoulder, but I also kind of like it up here. I will insert like a standing clip of me wearing the dress so you can see how it looks on, and I'll do a little spin around so you can see. I also very obviously didn't tie the bow thingies because I couldn't figure out a good way to tie them up by myself. So we'll figure that out eventually. Definitely want to get a petticoat, definitely want to steam it. The only kind of icks I have are the back actually, which I know is like kind of dumb because you're like, Gabby, why does the back of the dress matter to you? But I think because they did that like stretch panel, it's too big for me, and so it bunches up and like gives me rolls that I do not have. So I don't necessarily love that, and I don't know what to do about that. I don't know if lacing it up would fix that because it would kind of remove the excess fabric, maybe. Someone tell me if that would work. But besides that, I think it's all right. I'm kind of hesitant to recommend this site because I do think the dress is nice and I like it, but there's definitely some like quality control issues that I'm a little icked by. And also just like, I kind of wish instead of like having like, ooh, plus this for a petticoat, plus this for the tail, plus this for that. If you're going to advertise the image of something, I would like it to be all of the pieces. Because again, I don't know why I don't have the clear straps. that were shown in the picture. And I don't have the neck thing because the neck thing, I don't think is it this that goes under the arm? Like would you, but there's definitely bows on the arms. So it can't be that the straps are the neck thing. I don't know. And I'm kind of confused. Because also this dress only had one review at the time of when I requested it. And the review is positive, and I do think it's a good dress, but like, there's a lot of items that have no reviews, so I genuinely didn't know how something was gonna fit, and I honestly, if I had known it was gonna be this way, especially because there's no photos of the back of the dress. Like, if I had known it was like a stretchy back like that, I would have gone with the medium instead of the large. But like, I guess this video helps someone maybe? And yeah. Thank you all so much for watching this week's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, yes you, make sure you hit the subscribe button. It's right there. Woo! And in the comments, let me know what Lolita websites you have shopped from, especially for like accessories and things. I want to know where I should get accessories to accessorize this dress. 2, if you've shopped on lolitainside, what are your experiences with them? So that way if other people find this video, they can get some advice on how to shop there, because this is just my experience and my opinion. And also follow me over on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok to see photo shoot content. I'm planning to post like a cute little TikTok of this look once it's all done as well. But yeah, I'm excited to at least wear this for a photo shoot because I do think the color looks nice on me. And yeah, thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!